What's going on, everybody? I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can use the Tyler Tool hand swager to properly swage your HAAS Stainless cable railing fittings. So if you've never heard the term swage before, or that you need to make a swage on a component, you'll be happy to know that you're not alone. Making a swage or swaging a component is exactly the same thing as making a crimp or crimping a component. And if you've never heard of either of the two terms, they're basically the process of using a hand tool to permanently connect your cable railing component onto the end of your cable. Now at HAAS Stainless, the swaging process for all of our cable railing components is going to be the exact same regardless of whichever component you have. So to get started, the first thing that you want to do is insert the end of your cable into the swage cavity of your cable railing component, and then locate an area on the component that's called the swage area. The swage area is basically going to be a designated spot on your component where the jaws of your Tyler Tool hand swager need to be situated before making your swage. The swage area is going to start at the opening of the swage cavity, and it's going to stop at the first indentation line that you see directly above it. Now go ahead and open the jaws of your Tyler Tool hand swager, and then place your cable railing fitting into the jaws of the swager, which correspond with the size of the fitting that you're using. Then double check that the swager jaws are correctly seated at the swage area on the fitting. Now completely close the handles of your Tyler Tool hand swager and make your first swage. Then slightly open the jaws of your swager and rotate the cable and fitting approximately 90 degrees, and then make your second and final swage on the fitting. So give yourself a round of applause. You've just successfully swaged your first HAAS Stainless cable railing component onto the end of your cable. If you'd like any more information regarding any of HAAS Stainless's products, you can visit us at www.E-Rigging.com, or you can click on the link in the description below, which will bring you straight to the website. I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless. Thanks for watching.